Hello and welcome to another CLD preparation video on LabVIEW Advantage. We're continuing with the daily CLD problems. Please pause, scroll, or mute if necessary to understand the problem and then resume when ready. So let us begin. The question says, which of the following snippets correctly configures DAQmx for analog input acquisition on channels AI0, AI1, AI2, and AI3 of CDAQ1 Mode 1. So let's look into the different options. If you look very carefully, the option C and D are incorrect because they are representing with like a different format. Option B is also incorrect because option B is only showing the channel AI0 and AI3, but the option A is correct because it is showing AI0 to 3. That means it contains the 4 channels in sequence. Please like, share and comment on this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel for future LabVIEW videos. I'll see you next on the another CLD preparation video.